What's up, you guys? Or happy Sunday, you guys. It is Spidey Ditko 64 Daytona back here again. I usually don't. Man, that camera fell over. So yeah, that was really bad. Okay, let's restart. All right, how's it going, you guys? It is Spidey Ditko 64 Daytona back here again. Yeah, and video on Sunday. Usually don't do this kind of stuff, but yeah, this was a video. I was meant to make this video on Friday, but I was too lazy, and plus I was already on a project which I'm gonna announce tomorrow, which I guess that should be fun. But anyways, let's let's jump into this review of the most recent car. Sorry, to say food. As of right now, let's jump into this recent NASCAR Authentics I got, and that is the Menards Richmond water heaters Chevrolet for Richard Childress Racing. So yeah. Alright, so if you don't really know much about this driver, which at first I didn't really know much about him, but only one fact I can find good about him is that he won a Brickyard for 100 some time ago, or a long time ago for that matter. And just to mention to you guys that I did watch this Sunday's race, which was at Pocono, and if any of you have not seen that race yet, Kyle Busch won that race. So yeah, I should expect a diecast of him to release pretty soon. So yeah. So, but yeah, anyways, we're here just to talk about Paul Menard and his Menards or Richmond water heater Chevy, whatever you want to call it. But I found this at Toys R Us, which it's usually the best place to find these NASCAR Authentics. Well, not really, since they only have Wave 3 there. I wish to find the rest of the Wave 4, so yeah, so I can put out more reviews. So yeah, looking at the front, there's these two. They're the decal headlights, Chevy logo, Chevy SS 20, the air vents, and then right there it says RCR, if you can see it. There you go. Richmond water heaters, two Chevy logos with his name on the right there. So again, no Monster Energy logos. You have Goodyear on the fender. Oh yeah, there are other sponsors right there. Then the front is like the front of the car is black and the splinter is yellow, and that continues on to here. It's a pretty bright yellow in real life, you know. So yeah, you can see there are other logos as right there. So yeah, 27, the arrow to indicate where to lift the car up. Vivoline and Richmond water heaters, and I don't even know what that says. So yeah, but it just says Paul Menard right there with the American flag backwards. On the other side it is the right way. So yeah, there are sponsors right there. LPG. I recognize the logo, but I don't know. Kittle, which don't know any of these sponsors. These are kind of a lot of sponsors I don't know, and there are a lot of other sponsors on the back here. See the camera? There's it right there. There's the back, which is just basically all black, back and black. So yeah, but whatever. The spoiler, the Chevy logo, the headlight decals 27, and the SS and the tail exhaust decal. So yeah. Then there's inside of the car right there. So yeah, pretty good looking car overall. I was kind of excited to get that one because I wanted a new. Here's the hood, Richmond water heaters, which this has got to be like the weakest hood I have as of right now. So yeah, we're gonna put this one aside. And we're going to compare him to his other teammates right here. All these guys are teammates. They all drive for Richard Childress Racing. We obviously have Austin Dillon, Paul Menard, and Ryan Newman. So all these guys, they look pretty good next to each other. So yeah. There's only one car that I am missing, or one teammate I am missing, that is Ty Dillon, which there's already a diecast of him on eBay, but it's not a NASCAR authentic. It's a diecast like this, but it's kind of a little bit more accurate. And those you can find at local diecast dealers, or at the NASCAR racetracks, you know, the merchandise haulers, you know. But yeah, anyways, I want to go into the story of why I didn't upload this video on Friday, so I was lazy. So yeah, that's all. Really, I was lazy. I didn't want to do it. So yeah. Plus, it's it's nighttime. Plus, it's nighttime, and you can see in the background I got some new sponsors sponsoring. M&M's, M&M's Caramel, Skittles, Charlotte Motor Speedway. This is a background job I'll use, I don't know, maybe someday. And you flipped over to the back, you got the Cars 3 logo, which if you can see. Yeah, looking pretty good. Anyways, so yeah, I almost have the full team of RCR, but not yet. And what will be coming out tomorrow? Well, I don't know, really. I really don't know. I do feel like I do want to do another stop motion video, but I'm not so sure. I'm just playing with these. But yeah, I know that this is a pretty... Sorry, this seems like a boring kind of video. I mean, like, pretty boring car, I must say, but it's good, though, but, yeah, but, whatever. And, let's see if I can actually, I don't know if I can, but, I just want to show you guys something which I currently am working on. Boy, this thing's hot. Oh, man. This is a cardboard box for, this is, a cardboard layout of a new truck set I'm gonna do. So, yeah, so yeah, actually tomorrow I'm gonna be releasing some updates and whatnot. So, yeah, with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video. See you later.